Alright, what's up YouTube? It's Black Friday. Yesterday was Thanksgiving. You probably won't see this for a few weeks yet because I'm a few weeks behind with my editing. But I'm on my way right now to go do a quick little easy job that would be completed today and super easy if it wasn't Black Friday, because my roller still isn't fixed, so I was going to rent one. But all the rental places are closed today. I was kind of hoping they'd be open so I could rent a roller. And if I had a roller, I'd get this finished today, but looks like I'm just going to be able to get my gravel spread and come back and knock it out another day. So that's a bummer, but it is what it is. Okay, so we're getting ready to make this left-hand turn into this driveway I cut last year. I did this job right before I started my YouTube back up, so I didn't cover this, but it would have been a really good job to cover. I wish I had. So, I don't know if you can tell on camera. I'll get out and show it too, but this is real lumpy right here because everybody's spinning their wheels coming up here. And it's one of those things that the lumpier it gets, the harder it is to come up here without spinning. Like, my truck's got a lot of weight on the rear end, and I'd like to think I know how to drive and stuff like this, but I mean, I even just spun a little bit because it's throwing your weight all over the place coming up there. So we'll get out here and I'll show you what we got. All right, so the best thing to do, I guess, is recap this job I got going on here. Like I said, I did this parking lot about a year ago, and it's for a local business. The parking lot was here. There was a small parking lot. That pile of gravel was probably the back of it, and it didn't go up much further than that either, and that was the original entrance. Well, that entrance isn't actually on their property, so they lost that entrance and needed a new way into their parking lot. There's an alley here, but I guess the town won't take care of that alley even though they're supposed to. So what we did was we cleared out all this here. This was all trees, just like you can see there. And I think there was two days of me clearing and ripping out stumps and everything else. There was a couple real big elm trees. Elm trees fight me pretty good. And then over here, this was all flat. There was a hillside that extended over here all the way over to that side of the driveway. So I dug that hillside out and relayed all that dirt back up here, and it's underneath where my truck's sitting right now. And then I left us this nice slope to get down to this this other dead-end street over here. So we cut new access, and I put down a nice big thick layer base of mill slag material and 57s over top. And the 57s just didn't pack in as good as I would hope they would. Ooh, she's cold out here today, boys. She doesn't like it. It's not really that cold. It's like upper 30s. Let her warm up for a bit and we'll get at it. I just finished spreading all this stone out up here. I think it looks pretty good. Because it's got all this fine material in it, it packs pretty good. So just to drive on it right now would really pack it down, but I'm afraid people that don't know how to drive will still spin it up. So hopefully I get a roller here Monday. I can roll it in since everybody's closed today. But it'll look pretty good. And actually I was running the machine, sitting there spreading all this gravel out, thinking back, this is the job I was doing when I blew up my roller in the first place. That's the whole reason with that one right now. Alright guys, well that was 2 days ago. Yesterday I spent sick as a dog, puking my guts out. Or no, that was 3 days ago. 2 days ago I spent sick as a dog, puking my guts out. Yesterday I kind of recuperated, feeling back in the groove. Today I'm feeling pretty good, about 80%. So I called around early this morning trying to get a roller to go finish this stupid thing. I'll probably only need the roller for an hour, you know. Nobody's got one. So I'm just going a different route. I got the old international dump truck here, and we're cruising out to the quarry right now. We're going to get us a load of number ones for another project unrelated, but dead weight in the truck makes this a hell of a roller. So I'm just going to sit there and roll it in with the truck. It's not the first time, and it won't be the last. You got to use what you brung, you know what I mean? Let's go get us a load of stone and go roll this thing in and make some money. He's out there getting us a big old scoop of ones right now. Fixing to get loaded. Okay, we're back here on the job site now. Everybody's working here today, so they've already got me a little start on rolling this in, but those little light cars won't do anything like this truck will. This truck right now, I just scaled out of the quarry a little light for max hauling, but I'm at like 29.7, so that's a lot of weight, especially going uphill. All the weight goes onto the dual rear wheels, you know, it puts a lot of weight, so that'll pack its 2A in real nice. It'll be plenty firm enough to get anything up in here. So let's get after it. It's a slow process. You got to keep working your way over a tire width at a time. And I'll probably try and go over the whole thing 3 or 4 times. You can see we're already making a good dent over here on this left-hand side, but I know nobody wants to watch me go up and down this hill about 300 times, so we're gonna cut to a time lapse right now. So there's our finished slope all rolled in. Only disadvantage to this method is it is slightly lumpier than using a smooth drum roller. There's the load of stone we were using for our weight. And I'll just throw that out there on the driveway for the farm because I'll be putting rock on that thing till the day I die. But yeah, the little lumpiness isn't a big deal either. I just back drag it with the skid loader one time before I load the skid loader out and we're done. So easy money. Well, alright guys, that wraps up another video. Usually at the end here I try to put a clip of the next job that we're going to, so if it was an auto car video I'd be teasing a clip of the next video we're going to do in the auto car, or one of these side job videos I'd be teasing the clip from the next side job we're going to. But this time of year don't really have a lot of side jobs lined up, and I've got so much going on with church and the farm and working full-time that I don't have any time for any side work right now anyway. So this is the last side job I really did, and this is just a little clip of me and old Roscoe loading up the skid loader and hauling it out of there after I was finished up with that. But been getting a lot of new subscribers, guys, so I sure appreciate that. If you haven't already, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.